Welcome back, everyone, to Tradespoon TV. I'm Vlad Karpel, the founder of Tradespoon. The headline this week is, what will the Fed do? We have the FOMC releasing a rate decision this week, and while most do not think that there will be any deviation from the current tightening, there will be a lot of attention on whether or not they will tip their hats, on whether or not they will look to raise rates sooner and faster than mid-year 2015. So keep an eye on the Fed rate decision on interest rate. Going into the Fed, we will have the PPI released. So over the 16th and 17th of September, we want to keep a close eye on the S&P 500, which is pricing in a potential move of $27 at this point. Implied volatility is still trading off its lows, but do not become complacent. Stay on your toes. We wrap up this week with natural gas inventory numbers, which will come out on September 18th. And we want to take a look at the natural gas ETF UNG. Ticker symbol UNG is pricing in potential to move this week of 80 cents. It has been colder the past week, so watch out as these inventory numbers come out, especially since we are starting to hear that this winter could rival last year's winters. Since I'm solo this week, my guest host Joe Cusick is out, I want to cover the top picks that should be on your bull radar and your bear radar. Starting with the bulls, the highest probability setup we have this week. We have HAL, ticker symbol Halliburton, in the petroleum sector. We have a ticker symbol GILD, Guild, drug sector. We have TMO instruments. And finally, we have MEI Electrical, which is part of our semiconductor sector. These are the top bull pick for this week. If you look at the bears conviction list that you can find at Tradespoon, one name that comes out is CZR, ticker number CZR. If you want to learn more or see more Tradespoon ideas, whether they're bullish or bearish, take a look at Tradespoon.com and our Tradespoon Bulls and Tradespoon Bears list. All right, folks, this is it for this week on Wall Street. Have a great the rest of the week, and make sure you check out our live webinars. Joe Cusick will be back in line, and he will cover great webinars this week about position maintenance and about the earnings season. I will also talk about technical indicators and how to use the technical analysis to help you trade better. As we approach in the expiration week, these webinars will help you manage your positions and make a decision whether you want to roll these positions to the week or close your positions.